right here. Great. Been looking forward to coming here for so long. Right, now jump in the car and head on down to Thingvellir National Park. Now in Thingvellir National Park in Iceland. This is where the two continental divides are from North American and Eurasian tectonic plates, and as you can see behind me, that's the tectonic plate, which is actually one of the few places in the world you can see it above ground. And this is also where you have Silfra fissure, where the water is so clear that you can actually when you scuba dive, it's supposedly that clear that people get vertigo just by looking down. So but I'm not doing it here, no way, it's way too cold, absolutely freezing. But it's amazing here though, absolutely lovely. Let's take a look around. Stupid noises. And say hello to everyone. Hi everyone! Huh? Whoa! Check out this big ass fish.
And the poor guy's not getting anywhere. He's going to get carrot.
He's feeding. Dropped one of the beers, so I've got to drink it.
Are we going down to one of the places where the steam comes out the hole?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're going to a geyser. Oh man, you're so lucky that this is not smell-o-vision because it absolutely stinks here. Or is that you, Amanda?
Thank you.
I didn't hear a no. This place is amazing. See that steam everywhere. But it's only a short visit. We've got to rush off while we've still got light. And on to Gulfoss, then on to a lodge, chill out, get some food because I'm starved. Check this out. Cool. This is what heated seats looks like.
What are you talking to yourself, Dave?
Because there's a
What are you talking to yourself, Dave?
What
What are you doing? What's happening here?
Yeah, you pay attention to the road and not
Well, we're stopping because it's got to stop it.
drive over people again.
Don't fully understand. There's a narrow bit.
To Gulfoss! Well, that's amazing, but way too windy. It's a shame I tried the drone out, but no chance. Way too windy here. So I'm going to go head down and see how close I can get. Oh, soaking. Nearly just fell over already. It's so icy down here as well. But all the water vapour is coming off the waterfall that's settling here. All the floor is just ice. Absolutely worth it though for the view. Check this out, like, you see that ice is forming on there just as I'm standing here. That's how cold it is. Right, now at our lodge. Come check it in, it's awesome. So cold. One room. Two room. Ooh. Bathroom. Swanky. The women's place. The kitchen. What's going to be my winner? Sweet pancakes for breakfast. Let's check out here.
Oh, typical. They've got tomato bloody thing in there as well. But yeah,
Man, this is going to be amazing. Hopefully, see some of the northern lights tonight. It's a pretty clear sky, so fingers crossed. That's one thing absolutely buzzing to see. Oh, this place is amazing. Loving this trip already. Right, let's get some food and some beer.
Got on the table, right?
oh my god, I want these in my life. Baking sheets.
Local
They're already
delights.
separated.
Free chocolates as well. Yeah. That's some beer.
I feel like I want to help, but I don't know
I'll just
how.
put the oven on, so...
Good on that. Cheers, my first Icelandic beer.
Cheers.